Hey guys, how y'all doing? Shantae McClain here, back again with another video for you guys. So hope everybody had an incredible day today. Alright, well let's get down to it guys. So in this video, I want to talk to you about why it is important for you to have an autoresponder for your online business. Okay, so no matter if it's MLM or affiliate marketing or digital marketing or anything like that, it is very crucial that you have an autoresponder. Okay, it's super important. You always hear like the big gurus and everybody say, oh, the money's in the list. It's important that you build your list. You got to build your email list. Well, that is one of the reasons why you need an autoresponder, because that's what it does. It helps you build your list. It sends out multiple messages to the people who are on your list, to your leads that you get into your business. It helps sends out messages to them and helps you continue to follow up with those leads, because not only do you want to generate a lead, you have to keep following up with them in order to, get your information out there to them and to build know, like, and trust. It's really big on helping you brand yourself. Okay, so by sending out those messages, like me, I'm on a lot of people's list, and so I go into my email and I feel like I know these people because they email me all day every day. So even these are people I've never met, but just because I see their email popping up in my email practically every day, I feel like I know them. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. Is that helps you build and brand your business. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of show you, because as I stated to you guys in previous videos, I am a part of the Home Business Academy. I think this has been about 3 weeks so far, and it's been great. I really love it. It's a really great system. Now there are multiple autoresponders, and I'm not gonna lie and tell you that I know every one of them, because I don't, but there are two very, very popular ones that most everybody know, and that's Aweber and Get Response. Okay, now there are others as well, and the Home Business Academy has a lot of autoresponders that they do connect with. So but I know for a fact they do Aweber and Get Response. But there are step-by-step videos in here that's going to show you how to connect it. Like, you see how it tells you go to the next step. This is module 1. You just follow it step-by-step. It's going to tell you what to do. That's what I did with this, with Aweber. I had to follow the steps and I got it connected. You do have to have your autoresponder connected for the funnels and stuff you build to work. So you definitely have to go through and watch those videos. Now, if by any chance you run into any problems or you can't find it, just please reach out to me. I'm going to put all my contact information into the description. So just make sure you reach out to me so that I can help you. If you can't find it or if you run into a problem, just reach out to me. If I don't know the answer, guarantee you I'll get it for you. That's for sure. So anyway, and just by chance I forgot to mention, please like and subscribe to my channel, and please click the bell notification so you can get notified of when my videos come out, guys. All right, so just like and subscribe my channel for me, please. I really appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so back to business. All right, so yeah, you definitely want to go in and follow the steps to get the autoresponder hooked up so that everything works well for you. All right, I also want to just kind of show you a quick example of a capture page. This is a template, though it's blank. This is one of the things that comes with the Home Business Academy. You can get a blank template and build it out however you like. There are also done for you templates in here, which I'm gonna come back and make another video about what type of pages we get. This is just kind of real quick. But what I just want to explain is, because sometimes people are new and they just don't know how it all works. But this is a capture page. If you've ever went to somebody's page and put your name and email in something like this, this is what we're talking about when we say a capture page. If you have your email, if you have your autoresponder hooked up correctly, once the information goes in here and you click the button, the autoresponder kicks in and starts sending out messages. All right. So that's why it's important that you have everything set up right. If you're with the Home Business Academy or with any type of system that you have that uses an autoresponder, just got to make sure it's all connected. Okay. So this is the autoresponder. This is the Get Response Autoresponder, as I was speaking about earlier. Okay. Right now it's free. I think I have up to 500 contacts. It's free up to 500 contacts. So once you get leads into your system, once you get up to 500, then you'll have to go and pay for it. But right now it's free as long as you have less than 500 contacts. Okay. And so all you do is you go in here and you create your emails, and then, like I said, once it's tied to your system, then the emails automatically go out. And you can definitely set them up, by, if you want them to go out every day, every other day. You basically set this up how you want to do it. Okay. One great thing about the Home Business Academy that ties into these to the autoresponder is that you get 50 done for you emails. Okay, so you're gonna get 50 emails that are already pre-done. All you have to do is load them into the autoresponder. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all, that's one thing I kind of hate. I hate loading emails in the autoresponder. It's just it's okay. It's not hard to do. It's time consuming. So 50 is a lot, so I do so many a day. Like I do 10, and then I come back the next day and do 10. Not to mention I have my other business in here, and I got done for you emails for that. So I just put so many in at a time. But please don't try to sit there and put all them emails. And you're gonna put all you have if you try to sit there and put them in all day. So I just do like 10 a day. But I just want to give you a quick example of how you would put an email in. Okay, so you would click here on menu. You would go to autoresponders. Okay. So my computer's real. So my computer been clowning all day, y'all. I've been wanting to kick this thing off the table. It's been a mess. Hopefully it cooperates. Let's see. Okay, so these are some other ones that I've already done. So what I do is I go in here. Let's see. I go in here and I click. I'm sorry, I'm losing it. I go to create autoresponder. First of all, I go to you're supposed to do lists. I'm sorry, y'all. So what you do first is you create a list. You go to lists and you're going to create a list. I had already done it. I just did a test. Okay. But you go in here, you hit create list, and you're going to name your list. I just named my list test 4. That's all I did. And then I just went back up here, did create autoresponder. And then, and y'all don't talk about me how I'm doing this because it's been a while since I used Get Response. So it took me a minute to get back in the swing of creating these emails. Then you go to create autoresponder. And then I go here and I select which list. So I want it in my test list because that's the one I created. If you, whatever the name of your business or whatever, you just name it something so you'll know where, know what it is. Okay, up here you would title it, right? So like, me, whatever company, like since this is test, I'm gonna put test, but like if you were doing Home Business Academy, then you would do HBA capital or whatever you want to do. Let's do it right. HBA message 1 or something like that. But since I already got one titled, I'm just gonna put test message 1. Test message 1. And each page I do, like the next one will be test message 2 and test message 3. So you just, it helps you to keep them in order if you put like 1, 2, 3 or whatever. Actually, I'm gonna put 0 because usually the first message is gonna be 0 day. Because like on here, it's gonna ask you what day do you want the message to start on. 0. You want to start on day 1, day 2. I put 0 to start the first message off. I always do 0. And when you get your 50, I think it's like this, like 0 through 50 or whatever. But anyway, so then you come down and then you create your subject. I'm just gonna put join. I'm just typing some, y'all. This ain't what I would put. Join my business. I don't know. Or the struggles of, I don't know. I've seen some that be like, call me. All right. Like me, I'm gonna tell you what I do. Like if it's my 0, I always make like a welcome, and an intro type of message. Like my first message, I put like, hi, just wanted to introduce myself, or just say, hey, I'm Shantae, just want to say hello, or something like that. So I'd be like, hi, just wanted to say hello. And it's just a way for me to just tell them thank you, for checking out my info, and I just want to introduce myself. That's basically why I do that. So then you click design message. And I'm sorry, y'all, if I'm kind of rambling. Like I said, I'm still trying to get back in the groove of doing these videos. I am pretty rusty, but I got to get them done. So y'all just bear with me. After a while, I'm able to breeze through these things, y'all. You see how this thing's spinning? My internet been tripping. All right. So then you will go to blank template. And then I just go to use blank template. And then once you get there, it's really easy to do this. So you see, okay, you click on the top where it says logo. I just click this off. Click show view online link. I click that off and I click show logo and it disappears. Okay. So then you go to layout and then you go to text, and you can drag these into the spots that you need. So you drag that into the block, and then it opens up where you can put in text, and you just type your message, whatever your message is. Now, since the messages are going to be already in you get 50 with the Home Business Academy, you just copy and paste them in. Whatever business you're with, if they give you email messages, you just copy and paste them in here. Now, for some reason, with the Home Business Academy ones, when I type in, I'm sorry, when you're supposed to put that in there. When I type the ones for the Home Business Academy, it comes out huge. But all I do is I like, okay, it's probably not going to do it because I don't have a pre-done message, but let's just say, hello. See, it's not doing it. Sound like there's a car outside my house. I'm just putting something in here, y'all. Okay, but what I normally do is I paste my emails from Home Business Academy in here. But for some reason, when I hit paste, they come out huge. Like, it comes out really big. It does this, and it makes the message really big. I don't know. This just spaces it out, and I think that's why. So what I do is when that happens, I just go and I highlight everything, and then I just go up here and I change it to 24. And when I change it to 24, it puts it to the right size. Okay, I don't know why I do that. It's just on the Home Business Academy messages, though. I don't know why, but you just highlight the whole message all the way up to the top. Go up here and change it to 24. It's going to do that on every message, though. Change it to 24 to go back to the right size. So I just do that. I type the message in, and then, like I said, I do an intro, and I just say, you know, I just want to introduce myself. Thank you for checking out the information. If you have questions, please call me. I'll be more than happy to help you, and just welcome or something like that. And then after that, I always put a picture in, y'all. I always go and put a picture in. I was always told, I always put a little picture in. So I go back just for branding, because you're trying to brand yourself. So you grab your image, you click here. And I got pictures, and I just throw me a little, use that, throw me a little picture down there. Once you put the picture in, click on it. You can resize it over here. You know, it'll go as small. I ain't trying to scare nobody, so I don't want no big picture. Excuse my little door picture. So then you put your picture in, and then I also I always add my contact information at the bottom of the email. So I put, you know, hey, my number is this, my email is this. So I put name, I put my name, I put my email, I put my phone number, and then I also put like my Facebook. Like, if I got my Facebook link, I'll put my Facebook on there. And what you do is put your Facebook link here, like copy it and paste it. Like, you go to Facebook, get your link, paste it here, and then if you click on this little link icon, it'll open up, and you can put your link in there, and it'll highlight it. So all they have to do is click on it. Let me see. Like, if you copy it and you go here, if you had your link, you put your link right here, and once you put your Facebook link right here and hit insert, it'll turn that link blue, so all they have to do is click on it. And then after that, put my picture in, and then you just go to next. And then once you go to next, I think that's how we do. Yeah, because you put your message in, you put your contact information, go to next, and then you just look over it. It asks you, would you like to send a text message? I always just go and send a text message to make sure that the message, you know, that it went to my email and that I was able to open it. There's a little trick. You have to, if you got, and I did a video about setting up your domain name. That's why it's important to have a domain name, because I think it keeps your emails from going to spam if you have a domain name versus just your email. It's something you go in here and do where you can change. I think you can switch it here. You can switch it to your domain. I'm still learning, y'all, but I think that's what I did. I switched it to where it would come from my domain or whatever. But anyway, so you go here, you can click here, and it'll send a text message. It'll ask you what email address you want the text message to go to, and you just send it to that email. And you hit save and publish, and when you hit save and publish, your message will go out. But other than that, this asked me to upgrade my account. I ain't finna do that right now. But yeah, that's how you do a message, guys. I hope that the video was a little helpful. I'm not the best teacher in the world, but guys, you know, you have to step outside your comfort zone and do stuff that you're not, you know, the best at in order to be successful. So that's what I'm doing. So hopefully this helps somebody. Like I said, please reach out to me if you have any questions, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and y'all have a great day, and look forward to making more videos for you. All right, guys, bye.